Stagiaire, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, it's actually a very sad occasion because we are going to be doing the last episode in Spooktorial season 2. I had so much fun doing these videos with you guys. But yeah, this Spooktorial season is coming to an end and I'm just really excited for this video. I'm also just like hoping you guys liked this series for this season. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a carved face makeup tutorial, or like a carved jack-o'-lantern type makeup tutorial. If you've seen the thumbnail, you'll know like what it is. So basically we're going to be making it look like I am carving my face like a jack-o'-lantern. I'm really excited about this. I got this idea from a very popular YouTuber who I used to watch a long time ago. I don't really watch her anymore because like some stuff happened that I wasn't really fond of. It was kind of rubbing me the wrong way, so I don't really watch her anymore. But anyways, that's kind of where I got this idea from. She did it a while ago and I just like was like, I like that. I kind of want to see if I can do it. So I've never worked with like liquid latex or scar wax. If you're broke like me, I made my own scar wax, which I'm pretty happy about because like it's such a good like consistency, so I'm really happy about this. So today we are going to be doing like a makeup look with liquid latex and scar wax. So I'm nervous, but I'm also really excited, and that's why I was like, let's kind of go big for the last episode of this Spooktorial season. Like I said, I'm really upset about it because it's just so much fun doing Spooktorial videos and Halloween type videos, but there's always next year and all good things have to come to an end. So yeah, in this look I kind of want to explain a little bit. So like I said, it's going to kind of look like my face is carved. Trigger warning, it's going to be like fake cuts, fake wounds, fake blood. So that's a little trigger warning for you guys. And also I kind of wanted to look like not a regular makeup because obviously it's going to look like crazy, but I at least don't think that I want to make my face look like a pumpkin, like with color and everything. I kind of want it to look like an everyday makeup routine, except for the fact that I am going to be like carving it like a pumpkin, if that makes sense. So unless I change my mind towards the end, that's kind of what we're going for. So anyways, let me stop rambling. I just never want to leave you guys because this is the last video. So let me just stop rambling, and if you want to see my carved face makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. I just zoomed in a very little bit, so now I'm just gonna start like priming my face. We are gonna block out the brows because you don't want to see the brows. So first I'm gonna just put on this priming spray. So I'm gonna start blocking out the brows. If you guys don't know how to block out your brows, I did it in my last video, but also I'm not a pro at it, so I'm not gonna sit here and try to like give advice on it. I just be doing my best. So but I'm going to be using an Elmer's glue stick. But I'll kind of tell you guys what I do. Maybe it'll help, maybe not. I brush my brows down and I put it downwards, the Elmer's glue. And then really quickly after, before it dries, I put my brows like regular, upright, and then I start going in upwards motions with the glue. Okay, so as you can see, my brows are concealed now. This is the part that I'm like really nervous about. Well, first I'm gonna like sketch out everything with like some white or something, just so I have like an outline. And to sketch the outlines out, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk on like a small brush.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is the layout. As you can see, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so now I'm so freaking nervous. We're gonna get started with this and some liquid latex. I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see it better. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the liquid latex that I am using, and like I said, I made my own scar wax. This is what it looks like. I just added some foundation so it's a little bit closer to my skin tone. I think I'll still need to add like foundation, which is fine because I want to put like foundation and stuff all over my face, especially do something about this redness around my brows. So let's just get started. I just have this Clinique like container, and I'm gonna pour a little bit of the liquid latex into it. Oof, it smells so bad. It smells like a perm. Like, if you guys are black, probably you know what a perm smells like, and this is what that smells like. Okay, and to apply it, I'm going to be using these sponges. So first I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it into a little bit of it, and I'm going to put it under my eye. Then I'm going to take some of the scar wax and roll it so it kind of looks like a snake. I was thinking if you don't have liquid latex or whatever, you could probably use like white to clear a lash glue. I've been using lash glue for like everything. Hold on 1 second because I gotta do this. So yeah, you can use lash glue. I was gonna use lash glue, but then my sister kindly bought me some liquid latex. You can also, if you don't have scar wax, which like I said, I made it like a year ago though, so I'm pretty sure I used flour and Vaseline and then just added like some foundation. Look how good this is looking. You see the little lumps? We're gonna like be putting blood and foundation and stuff over it, so don't like worry about that. If you don't have scar wax, I'm pretty sure you can use like tissues, like put it down and like rip it and stuff. There's just so many different things that you can use, but this is working chef's kiss. So I definitely recommend if you want to practice like doing FX makeup like I did, and you don't have money or you don't want to spend money on scar wax, then you can just get flour, Vaseline, because you probably have flour in your house. Vaseline, I think I got mine from like the dollar store for like $1. And then add like your favorite concealer, foundation or whatever to make it your color, and voila, we have this. You don't even have to make it your color if you're gonna put foundation over it. I just wanted to, just because like I kind of like used it on my hand a little bit in practice. And when I put the foundation over the like white, when it was just white, I didn't mind the look, but I liked it better when there was already a little bit of color in the scar wax, so I just like colored it. But you guys can do whatever you want. So I placed down the liquid latex with the disposable sponge, like the super skinny flat layer, and then I take some scar wax and I roll it into like a little caterpillar shape, and I'm just gonna blow dry this a little tiny bit just to make sure it's like tacky. And then once it's like tacky, I'm gonna put the scar wax down, and then you're gonna take like a palette knife or whatever you have. You can use your fingers. I have fat fingers, so it don't really work that good. And you're gonna drag on the end of it to blend it into the skin. It's crazy. You can see like the difference between the two, how like this one looks a little bit better because it's like the second go around, and then this one just looks like, it looks good still, but this one looks better. I'm really excited to do the smile because I think it'll be a little bit easier, because obviously around the eyes there's like some movement and like lots of curves, but like I'm just excited to do the mouth. I think it's gonna be easier. So now I'm gonna do, before I do foundation, I think I'm gonna do the insides of like the carves. So I'm gonna take my CC Beauty palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go in with the red and go inside the carves. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the black, and I'm basically just going to go around like the edges with the black just to give it some depth. So now what I'm going to do is get some foundation, basically just put it on my face around this and like on my face.
Perfect.
So I don't know why my smile is a little like uneven, but it's fine. I just added like some bruising around it, so I basically just took like a fluffy brush and some red and purple and just like dabbed all around to like give some bruising, because obviously if I carve my face it'll be bruising. So now we're gonna add blood. I'm gonna go off camera, charge my camera a little bit because it was like dying, and I want to be able to like be fully charged when I do the outro, do some finishing touches, and then I'll come back. I mean, this is pretty much the final reveal, but to come back to do the outro and all that good stuff and give the final reveal. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to put on a lash, because like I said, I kind of wanted to look like a regular face of makeup, and then I just like carved it out, you know what I'm saying? So I might do a lash, I might not, I'm not sure yet, but I'll come back for the finished result. Okay, my spooky babies, this is the finished result. I personally think this is like one of the best looks I ever did. I think because I really like the way that it looks like it's carved into my face, and also I'm just really proud of myself for using liquid latex and scar wax for the first time and it looking like this good. Let me know if you guys think it looks good down below. I just put on my trusty dusty fake knife with blood just to make it look like I did it like with this knife and everything. So this is the finished look. I love it so much. The only thing that I feel like I could have did a little bit better is the mouth. It's a little bit uneven, but honestly it kind of like adds to it, like, you know what I mean, like I did it myself. Obviously it's gonna be uneven. I love this look so much. I think it's so good, and I'm just like really proud of myself that I was like able to do it. Trust me guys, like I said, and I just added some like blood to my hands. Trust me guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Like literally I am like the shakiest person. I get the most anxiety when I'm like doing new things. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Like it does take patience, which I kind of like have some patience when I'm doing makeup, which is like surprising because I don't really have it in any other aspect. That's a lie. I am a patient person. I like to think that I'm a patient person, but it does take patience. So that's the only thing I would say. But this is a finished look. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm so sad because this is the last video in Spooktorial season 2. If you want to watch the other videos in this series, the other episodes in this series, they'll all be linked down below. I'm just so sad. I was gonna do like an extra video on Halloween, and I still might do that for you guys, but I don't know for sure, because I really just want this to be like standing alone on its own, the last look of Spooktorial season 2, because I just am really proud of it and I think it looks really good. Like I said, let me know what you guys think of it down below on a scale of 1 to 10 how good I did with my first time using liquid latex and scar wax. And we will be continuing to play with these things. We're gonna turn into a special effects makeup channel, just wait. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this series. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I usually say so you don't miss another spooky upload, but honestly there's no more after this one, so just turn on my post notifications if you like me. If you guys want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween, happy Spooktorial. I'm just so sad that this is ending. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Halloween, stay spooky, stay safe. If you're going to some Halloween events, if you're going to trick-or-treat, all that good stuff, just stay safe, stay spooky. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.